I hope all is well. We are going live. We are live. And it is so hot, so excuse my shirt. I usually dress a little bit more professional, but professional. But I just wanted to, it's hot out there. It's hot. So your girl got a little bit open there. For those of you who will join us on the replay, welcome. And those who will join us on the podcast. Yeah, today I just came live. I got a what would you do? What would you do? And I'm actually a minute early. So we'll give YouTube a second to notify people and see how many join us. All right. While we are waiting, if you have not heard about the Notary Business Success Coaching Program, it is going amazing. We met last night. We talked about the notary block or the notary certificate. If you're not familiar with those terms, you probably want to be in the program. Okay. Or if you need a deeper dive into your notarial duties, that's what we're doing. We're actually doing training, not just marketing. We're actually training how to be a great notary. So the program is going amazing. There is no expiration date. You can join at any time because the replays are available. And again, check out the reviews. Those are coming in. Hey guys, welcome. So yeah, the Notary Business Success Coaching Program is actually amazing. It is very hands-on, very interactive. Every session is not just me talking. I'm asking you questions. We're doing mock notary duties, okay? And I'm a very good teacher, if I must say so myself. I'm very grateful. I thank God every day and pray that my mom was who she was, et cetera, et cetera. So it's not, some of it's natural, just born that way, but you know, I feel very blessed that I'm able to help people. Hey, Helen, how are you? Oh, you're so sweet. I appreciate it. So y'all keep me humble though, because when I don't get it right, y'all like Kimmi, ABC. Yes, welcome, welcome. So anyway, today I got a what would you do? So check out the program. It's only $39.99. And again, you also not only have access to me weekly workshops, and like I said, those are just simply amazing in itself. I have documents uploaded for you. I have different videos from the YouTube channel that I've curated and put it over in the library also. But you also have unlimited access to all of my courses I wrote. I have 8 of them and more training to come. We'll be doing certified copies. We'll be doing everything that I've wanted to do, but didn't really have the space to do it. So now I have the space, and that's by means of the coaching program. So check it out, okay? $39.99 is never too late to join. No expiration. Again, so everyone's invited to the party. You don't have to participate in the coaching in order to take advantage of watching the courses for the $39.99, the pre-recorded courses. Because some people said, well, Kimmi, I don't really want to do the coaching, but I want to watch the videos. You're more than welcome. The self-paced courses are still available for sale too. So whatever your pleasure is, okay, we got you covered. Now let's get into topic. So I got a what would you do? So you're at a signing. When I say signing, for those of you who may be new, a notary appointment. Typically, when we say signing, we're referring to loan signing jobs, okay, typically. So you're at a loan signing job, right? You've already completed the document for, let's say it's a seller's package. Someone's selling their home. They've called you out as a notary. You go to the home. And now the client says, hey, can you notarize these extra 2 or 3 documents for me? Question, what would you do? And this is, y'all can answer me right now. What would you do? Would you notarize it for free? 1, we've had this conversation before, but it comes up kind of frequently. Or number 2, it's been a while ago since we talked about it. Or number 2, would you charge the client? So number 1, you're going to do it for free. 0, you're going to charge the client. S represents, it happens all of the time. Yes. Hey, S represent. What's up? What's up? I love that name. The way she spells it. Yeah. So Helen says she's going to charge. Yeah. 1 is free. 0, no, I'm charging. I'm charging. What's the answer? What are we doing? What are the notary people doing? I have had that happen to me before, and I'm going to tell you what I did, what I've done, what I do. I'm a hoe. Oh, hey, S represent. I am so sorry. That's why I said I wasn't sure if it's a he or a she. I'm a whole man. LOL. All right, represent. You got it. You got it. Sorry about that. Deborah Lockamy says she's charging also. Yes. So let me tell you what I did. Okay. So I've had that happen a couple times. And it really more than a couple, but only two are standing out in my mind. So it happens all the time, as represent says. So the first one was I was at a signing. We were on the back porch. I remember very vividly. And the lady had a little attitude with it. So it was kind of like, you have to, or you should do this for me. Right. She didn't even offer to pay. Okay. So first of all, you're assuming. Okay. And I didn't like her attitude. It wasn't like, oh, you know what? You just happen to be here. I'd like to know, can you also do this? It was like, I got these two documents too. And again, it wasn't like she even offered, can I give you a little something or whatever to do these for me? So I didn't like her attitude. So for her, I charged her. I told her a price. Let's say that, because she didn't want to pay it. And she didn't. I only told her like $25, and that's because she made me mad. Unprofessional. Yeah, your girl was unprofessional, but that's called being human, okay? So anyway, I told her $25. She was like, nah, I ain't paying it. I said, okay, you can go to your bank. I said, well, I'm sure your bank will do it for you for free. So that was one case, okay? Now, typically what I do, if it's just one page, maybe even two, I will do it for free. Now, we'd have to ask Angela what she would do, because she's not here, but I can tell you what she would do. And y'all know Angela, our other trainer. Y'all know what she would do. There's a saying, what would Angela do? Notary Down South, shout out. So, Angela would probably charge, but not a lot, like a full fee, but she would charge something. I typically don't, because I look at the big picture. I'm a big picture kind of person. So I typically do not charge if they have one or two documents. I do not. Now I got stuck like that one time. I did a trust for somebody, a whole trust package. That's when I first started. I got 3, I remember vividly. And that trust package, I was about to say another word. I was highly upset about that one. That was my first trust. I didn't even know what a trust entailed. If you have not checked out my trust package training course, trust/estate package training course, check it out, okay? Because yeah, it will prepare you, because I wasn't prepared. So it was like 15 notarizations almost in that package, because she had a big trust. Didn't even look like she had no money, but she had this big old trust package. So anyway, I had all these notarizations, and I did not charge her enough, so I was livid. Okay, needless to say. So I just charged her. I think it was like $30 or something. But a trust package, I'd start in 3 digits for a trust package. Okay, but again, now I do, because I know better, but I didn't know. So anyway. The other person, though, like I said, I typically don't charge, but what I will do is ask them for a review. I always leave my business cards with clients, because I want some kind of compensation out of it. So for me, if I get a review, I used to tell my mom before I lost her. Me and her would go on jobs and stuff. I say, Mom, I said that sometimes a review is more important than the money. She was like, Kim, that is never the case. So I need to be a G like my mom was, and like Angela is, okay? Because sometimes I'm too giving. So anyway, so I typically don't charge if they have 1 or 2 documents. I don't. And because I guess I'm looking to build a relationship. Is that person going to call me back tomorrow? No. But I will always be the notary that helped them. You know what I'm saying? And I do always ask for a review. So that's my stance on it. What do you guys think after I told you my little stories? S represents says, I say let's talk about it after we finish to separate the transaction. Yes, and that's true. So I would not combine it. I wouldn't be like, okay, as I'm doing this, I'm working on their document, because I don't really care about their document until I finish my package. And to S represents point, I wouldn't even do their package until I finish doing my double check, making sure that original package that I went out there to get executed is completed. If you don't know what executed is, you probably need to be in my mentorship program, my coaching program, okay? So check out executed means to have the document signed, okay? So you need to know the verbiage. So again, we do a next level notary training, like seriously. I'm so proud of the coaching program.